Meanwhile, Kenyans have given President William Ruto an overall rating of a D for the year 2023. This is according to a poll conducted by Infotrack, which also gives other arms of government a similar rating for the period. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, on the other hand, scored an E. Martin Mwangi with the details.
In a research conducted by Infotrack between 18th and 19th December 2023, among 1,500 Kenyans, President William Ruto has gotten an average rating of 47%, which represents a score of D. According to the poll, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua managed an average of 36%, which represents an E. Cabinet secretaries as well as National Assembly have gotten a D of 43%, whereas the Senate got 42%. The judiciary and county governments have managed to get a D of 47%, with the police service getting a D of 45%. The opposition, on the other hand, has also not been spared with a D of 48%.
All the institutions, the key institutions, and individuals, and of course the individual we are referring to the presidency here, they've not performed above the expectations of Kenyans.
The research also shows that a majority of Kenyans feel that the country is headed in the wrong direction at 61%, with only 18% feeling that the country is on the right track. At least half of Kenyans across all the regions feel that the country is headed in the wrong direction, with the majority being in Nyanza at 72%. Central region has the least number of people with similar sentiments at 53%.
Currently, Kenyans feel the country is headed at a wrong direction at 61%. If you compare that with last year, December, same period, it was at 55%. So we see a change of 7% from last year.
The key issues of concern for most Kenyans are the rising cost of living, which is as a result of high taxation and the fuel prices. Corruption, unemployment, access to affordable health care, food security, and poverty reduction are other issues that Kenyans feel should be given more priority.
High cost of living has been a major pedestal of one key issue of concern across the months, and of course unemployment. I don't know what can be done so that those issues can be addressed as a matter of urgencies by the duty bearers.
Despite a majority of Kenyans feeling that 2023 was a bad or terrible year at 62%, 30% of Kenyans are optimistic about the coming year 2024. 21% feel that it will be a worse year, whereas 19% feel that things will remain the same. Another 30% are not sure of what to expect come 2024.
The region that the optimistic level is highest is Northeastern at 53%. And the youths, remember the youth initially I had mentioned, those that are below 35 years, were those that felt the country was headed in the wrong direction at the highest. But if we project year 2024, they're feeling it will be a better year.
On 2024 iko na hope kidogo juu tukiona vile mazao imekuwa of late. Tuko na hope kidogo na tunaamini kitu rais amesema.
Taxi iende chini ili aweze kuangalia maslahi ya wananchi. Siasa itakuja itaenda, lakini wananchi wanaendelea kukaa pale na Kenya yetu tutaendelea kuijenga.
Martin Mwangi, NTV.